Hello guys, today we'll talk about new phone from Red Magic Company and new addition to Red Magic phone series in 2023. This phone is Red Magic 8 Pro. We have talked about a phone from the same series in the past, Red Magic 8 Pro, which you can view from here after this video. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1, the body. The body here come with length 164 mm, width 76.4 mm, thickness 7.5 mm, and its weight 228-gram aluminum frame. Number 2, the screen. The screen type here is AMOLED and its type very good with size 6.46 inches display. Come with Protect Glass Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and come with refresh rate 120 Hz and screen exposed to you 1 billion color and very wonderful. Number 3, the processor. The processor here is Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4 nanometer. This is the best processor in any Android phone, especially this phone. You can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth 90 FPS or Ultra HD Ultra FPS and play Call of Duty Low Ultra or Very High Max and other games in the best settings on it. And the speakers here are stereo and very high, and surprise here with jack 3.5 mm. Number 4, the camera. There are 3 camera in the back. The first camera here is wide 50 megapixel, come with lens slot 1.9. Second camera here 8 megapixel ultra wide, come with lens slot 2.2. The third camera 2 megapixel depth, come with lens slot 2.4. Support ring LED flash HDR panorama as you take a beautiful photo by this camera, better than the previous generation Red Magic 8 Pro, and record video 8K 30 frames per second, 4K 30/60 FPS or 1080 30/60/120/240 FPS. But the front camera 16 megapixel wide, come with lens slot 2 under display, record video 1080 30/60 FPS. Number 5, the battery. The battery here is 6000 mAh. Here this battery is very big and its USB is Type-C and its charger here is 65 watt. Charge phone in 40 minutes only. Number 6, to the price. The price of Red Magic 8 Pro phone is from $700 to $750. It is considered one of the best phones in 2023. Thank you to watch to the end of the video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.